Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Stella's Recipe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button below to get more interesting recipes. Today, I'm gonna make a fried tofu rice bowl with toppings. This kind of food is on trend these days among young people. The original ones put all ingredients inside the fried tofu. However, the one with a topping is more popular, for it looks colorful and delicious. And toppings are varied according to the taste. So if you're ready, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is remove the skin covering outside the pollack roll. Slice them gently in the middle and take out the pollack roll inside. Put 200 milliliters of rosé pasta sauce in a pan. Put 80 grams of salted pollack roll. Stir them together and let them simmer for 3 minutes. Tear out 180 grams of crab meat and put them in a bowl. Put 2 spoons of ground pickle. Put 3 spoons of mayonnaise. Mix them all together using hands. Put 200 milliliters of soy sauce. Put 1 cup of water. Put 3 spoons of sugar. Slice 1 onion into 4 parts and put them in a pot. Put 17 grams of ginger. Put 7 cloves of garlic. Put half a spring onion. Boil this for 15 minutes in a medium heat. When they are done, take out the vegetable inside the soy sauce. Cool them down more than 30 minutes till it's lukewarm. Put 400 grams of chopped salmon. Put 1 chopped onion. Put 1 sliced lemon. Pour a soy sauce that we made before. Mix them using hands. Leave this in a fridge overnight. Put 2 spoons of vinegar in 600 grams of steamed rice. Put 2 spoons of sugar. Put a pinch of salt. Put 2 spoons of sesame. Mix them using a rice paddle. Then put a seasoned rice and a fried tofu. I'll use a square-shaped fried tofu, for it is easier to make them stand compared to triangular one. I'll give you a little tip when making a fried tofu rice ball. Put a spoonful amount of rice in the fried tofu. Fill them up from the edges to make a better figure. Don't push it too hard, but gently using a fingertip. Leave the third of its space empty, for we need a space for topping. Finally, put a crabmeat topping on top. Make sure to make a convex figure. Put a roast pollack raw using a spoon. Don't make them overflow. Put a pickled salmon and onion on top. Also, make sure to make a convex figure. I'll decorate them using a baby leaf and scallion. Try making this at your home and share this with your family and friends. So, did you enjoy today's video? Then please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!